All right, today I am going to be making chili cheese ranch chicken flavored ramen noodles, okay? So first of all, you're going to need ramen noodles. I have chicken flavor right here. Then you're going to need 2 slices of all-American cheese right here. All right, then you're going to need some Hormel chili, right? You're going to need about 2 tablespoons of Hormel chili, all right? And you are going to need some ranch dressing. Right here, I have classic ranch. It's the light version because I am on a diet. So I have the light version, and as well as hot sauce. So if some of you like spiciness, I have Frank's Red Hot Sauce made with original cayenne pepper sauce. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move these ingredients to the side and just open up my packet of ramen noodles. All right. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take the packet of ramen noodles, and I am going to take the package of seasoning, and I am going to pour it in the bowl just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take the ramen noodles and place it into my Rapid Ramen cooker. Check the description part of the page for more information about the Rapid Ramen cooker. And then there are some crunchies left inside, and I'm going to pour the crunchies inside. And after I have the ramen noodles inside of there, I'm going to take some water and fill it up to the line. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a line in there. And I'm going to take the water and pour it in there up to the line. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes, all right? All right, after 3.5 minutes, I'm gonna take the Rapid Ramen noodle. Cook, be careful because it can be hot. All right, be cautious. You might need to wear gloves or get some assistance. Out of the microwave, okay? So you have this, okay? And I am just going to take some of the water, have the water, and just pour it and drain half of the water, okay? Or 3/4 of the water. All right. So after you drain 3/4 of the water, there's only a little bit left in there, and I'm going to drain a little bit more of that. All right. So once I drain a little bit more of that, I am going to take some cheese. All right. I have cheese right here. I am going to take it out of the package just like that and place it down in there just like that. Okay. Get the second piece of cheese, put it in there, place that on there, and then take some of the ranch and open the ranch, and it has a chef safety lock to keep you from getting the ranch out. You're going to pull back the chef safety lock, and then you're going to take some of the ranch and just place it along the sides just like this. Let me get in close so you guys can see. Just a little bit of ranch just like that, okay? And then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the chili and place it on top. And then take a 1/3 tablespoon of the chili and then place it on top. Right? Just like that. And then I'm going to make sure it doesn't splatter in the microwave. I'm going to take a 1/3 piece of cheese, and I am going to place it on top of the recipe, okay? And then I'm going to place it back in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. All right, after 56 seconds, I'm going to take the ramen noodles, and I'm going to pull them out of the microwave. Be careful because it will be warm, hot. All right, you may need some assistance. All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see this, okay? So that's the ramen noodles, and I'm going to take a fork or a spoon, and I'm just going to mix it all together, just like that. Look at that. Now, when the cheese and the ranch, make sure you get it consistent, like mixed together, it's going to turn out to be absolute goodness. I promise you. All right? Just like that. So now that it's mixed around, I'm going to take some hot sauce, right? Frank's Red Hot sauce. And just put some Red Hot sauce liberally on top of the recipe. And there you have it. You have ramen noodle, ranch, chili, cheese, ramen noodles. Let me know if you have any questions. This is one of my favorite recipes. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys enjoy this one right here because I know I am.